SNKP Government College, Nimka Thana. I am speaking Bhavani Shankar Sharma, Associate Professor English. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on William Shakespeare. The class is BA Part 1st, English Literature, Paper 1st. The nomenclature of the paper is Poetry and Drama. Today, that is 16th June 2020. First of all, I would like to say something about William Shakespeare. You know, William Shakespeare is a well-known name in English literature. Everyone knows that William Shakespeare was the greatest poet and the greatest dramatist in English literature. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and he died in 1616. He was the greatest poet and the greatest dramatist in English literature. He was born at Stratford-on-Avon. Stratford-on-Avon is the name of the town where he was born. William Shakespeare was also an actor, and it is said that he moved to London fairly early in his career. William Shakespeare is better known by his plays and in an overall sense identified with the greatness of Elizabethan reign. He wrote 154 sonnets in all, as well as full-length poems. His early poems were circulated privately among friends before being published. The English sonnet, which has a different rhyme scheme from the Petrarchan sonnet, is also known as the Shakespearean sonnet. The students must know that in English literature there are particularly two forms of sonnets. One is the Petrarchan sonnet, which is known as the Italian sonnet. Sometimes we say it is the Miltonic sonnet also. And the another form of the sonnet is the English sonnet, which is popularly known as the Shakespearean sonnet. Shakespeare was a great practitioner of this English form of the sonnet. He wrote 154 sonnets in all. The first 126 sonnets are addressed to a young man who is popularly known as Mr. W.H. Although the identity of this man is not definite, love and courtship were the traditional subjects of the sonnet, to which Shakespeare added the theme of friendship. Because the first 126 sonnets are related to the theme of friendship, he explored this relationship through 126 sonnets, some of which are addressed to a friend and the others to a lady love. So this is the brief introduction to this poet William Shakespeare and William Shakespeare as a sonnet writer. Today I am going to discuss something about this poem. Shall I compare thee which is prescribed in the syllabus of BA Part First English Literature Paper First. So first of all, I would like to say that Shall I Compare Thee is one of the 126 sonnets which are addressed to the young man. Shall I Compare Thee is the sonnet number 18. This is also addressed to the young man, that is Mr. W.H. In this sonnet, William Shakespeare puts a question before his friend. The first line is, Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Here the poet is addressing his friend, and he asks his friend whether he should compare him to a summer's day. Here the poet wants to compare the brightness of his friend to the brightness of a summer's day. We must know that in England a summer's day is very beautiful day, very shining day. So he asks his friend whether he should compare him to a summer's day. But the poet does not seem to incline to compare his friend to a summer's day, because he says that thou art more lovely, means his friend is more lovely and more temperate in comparison to a summer's day. Because in a summer's day, sometimes what happens, rough winds do shake the darling buds of May. When the rough winds blow, they shake, they disturb the darling buds of May, the darling flowers, the dear flowers of May month.